Okay, you guys, welcome back to Mind Your Money. My name is Tasha, and I'm going to be sharing with you my sinking funds that we have revamped for 2021. If you are here for the first time, I am a wife, a mother, and we started this channel to document our journey to debt freedom, financial independence, and build generational wealth. So we are starting with the basics of budgeting, managing money, saving money, earning money, and getting out of debt. So if any of that interests you, please go ahead and click that like button, click the subscribe button to the channel, and the notification bell so you know when to come back around. Thank you to everyone who is coming back again. I appreciate you guys so much for the returning viewers, returning subscribers. You guys are going to get a shout out video from me very soon if it hasn't been uploaded already, because I'm trying to batch record the videos that I want to close out December with very strong. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. I am going to have 9 sinking funds for the new year. All right. And back to school is the first one. Okay. Let me see if I click here, if you'll see it. Probably not. Okay. So back to school is the first one. As you can see here in column A, that has a $500 goal. And there's nothing in there now because we haven't started funding it yet, but it is one we're going to start funding, and hopefully we can reach that $500 goal before the end of 2021, because we still are not certain how school is going to look, even though I am responsible for a middle schooler and making sure he has laptop, make sure he has all of his pencils, notebooks, and he does go to a school that is requiring the children to wear uniforms. So we'll still need to buy uniform shirt, uniform jacket with the school emblems on it. And because he's a boy, he's growing like a weed, and I expect we may have to buy more very, very soon. So we're going to be saving up for that. For right now, he's wearing the same uniform as he did last year because, again, it's still virtual and he's not uncomfortable yet. So yeah, that's how that goes. Christmas, our goal for 2021 is $1,000. We have 24 cents in this account right now. And I said account because our sinking funds are digital. So you'll see probably in the next slide all of the accounts and what is currently in them, because I'm sharing with you guys our real journey. So because we're not using physical cash, you're not going to see me counting cash on camera or stuffing physical envelopes. All of these are electronic. Okay. Christmas is $1,000, and hopefully we'll get to that somewhere at the end of the third quarter. All right. And I'll share with you why that is in just a few moments. For clothing, our goal is $500. Right now, the balance in this sinking fund is $44.50. And then we are a family of 5. So 2 toddlers who are, of course, boys, and they're growing quickly. But we had quite a large amount of clothes for my 3-year-old that my now 1-year-old is able to fit into. So we were, able to navigate that easily. So I think $500 is a good goal. And my husband left this up to me to manage. So I think it's pretty good. And once we're in agreement, it's fine. All right. And keep in mind, because these are in savings accounts, high yield savings accounts, quote unquote, it ranges from 0.5 to 0.8%, but we are able to gain interest and compound interest at that. So whatever sinking funds we're not using right now or funding, they're still going to collect a little bit of interest, which will help us out in the long run. We have implemented a new sinking fund, and that will be gifts. The goal is $250. That is empty right now because I just opened it, and it's not an actual savings account, but it is a bucket under my Ally savings account, and that you will also see on the next slide. All right. Then we have medical. Medical is an existing one. I believe I started that in the summer of 2020, and the goal is $2,000. So we're going to use this for everything health related. So vitamins, supplements, even things like dentist appointments. We have really decent insurance that we don't have to pay co-pays. So that's not something we've experienced. But if there's anything that we do have to pay for that is not covered under our insurance or for our children, we will increase the funding to this medical sinking fund so that we can reach that goal. Again, there's no end date or anything, but we would like to have at least $2,000 in there in case, God forbid, anything comes up. And then we do take supplements and vitamins, and that will come in handy, especially as our children get older and we're trying to protect ourselves. All right. Renter's insurance, because we are renting right now, the goal is $240. The actual amount of our renter's insurance is $238 for the year or annually. However, I just wanted to round that number up. And we have fully funded this as of October 28th. So we are ready to transfer that money into the checking so we can pay that in full. But every year we will try to save $240, and that will change, or the name of this sinking fund will change once we purchase our first home. All right. My state license renewal is $400. And because I need to recertify my property and casualty license as well as my life insurance license, and that is going to cost me $400. Of course, I don't know what it will look like when I need to renew November 2021. Hopefully, all of the virus situation that's been going on will not be as rampant, and we'll be able to sit down and do my continuing education for that. All right, then we have the vehicle insurance, and vehicle insurance is exactly what it sounds like. We're saving up only to pay the insurance in full for 6 months. We do not have our vehicle because we sold it for parts. So we are still going to save up for insurance because we will have a new vehicle very soon, and we plan on purchasing it with cash. Now, we have $200 in there right now. Our goal is to reach $1,040, and the plan is to save $20 per week for 52 weeks, right? So that we will reach that goal. But we started in August. I believe we started in August, and we will end in August. And if you've seen the video where I posted my annual budget, you'll see that I did discuss that in further detail and how we were going to manage that. All right. And vehicle maintenance is the last one for 2021. This is sinking fund number 9. We are saving up for maintenance of our new vehicle or our new used vehicle, and that will be $34.12 right now, and the goal is $1,000. I should say we have $34.12 in this sinking fund right now. The goal is $1,000, and we will be funding that very shortly. So we have a finance key here, and I'll update this and probably share this with you guys maybe quarterly, because we're not tracking it every single month, and because we don't plan on withdrawing any money until the first quarter is finished of 2021. That's when I'll do my next update with you guys, so you can see that we're staying on task. So the finance key is green. When the numbers are green, that is a deposit. When they're red, that means we've made a withdrawal. And when it's blue, that is the current balance. So that's how I'm going to be tracking it here on this spreadsheet. And the total balance of all of our sinking funds at present is $573.84. And that's as of December 17th, 2020. Okay. So the next time I update you guys will be at the end of the first quarter of 2021. So that is our sinking fund spreadsheet for 2021, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned because I'm going to share with you each of these sinking funds. I will show you screenshots of what is currently in these accounts. Remember to mind your money, manage it well, and live your lives to the fullest. Bye, guys.